Hi everyone, thank you for stopping by. Today I am sharing with you all how to make garri. This garri recipe was inspired by a beautiful sister here in YouTube by the name Sweet Ajele. Guys, I will be honest with you all. Being in diaspora, I never thought of making garri. I thought it's just impossible until I came across her video on how to make garri. So guys, I have my cassava here. I'm going to be trying this garri for the first time. So I have my cassava here. I will go ahead and peel it and yes, we continue from there. So I'm going to cut the cassava and then peel it. Okay guys, I have water here because I'm going to give it a quick rinse. If you don't want to blend it, you can grate it. So guys, as you can see, I am done peeling and cutting it this way, and I have already gone ahead to give it a quick rinse. Yeah, so I'm going to blend it now. And add enough water to blend it. Now I'm going to place my cheesecloth to my strainer. If you don't have cheesecloth, you can use any chiffon cloth or any clean towel. So I'm making use of what I have. I'm done blending this one. I'm going to pour it in here. And continue with the rest of the cassava. I'm going to set this aside. And then continue. Okay, I am done blending. I'm going to just okay guys, I'm going to transfer it back to the bowl, and we are going to allow it for 3 days so that it will go through the process of fermentation. On the second day, I'm going to place an object like this, a heavy object, so that it will help it to reduce or to dry the excess water in the cassava. So I'm going to cover it now, and voila! Okay guys, this is 3 days later. As you can see, I placed this on top of it to get rid of excess water, to make sure that it is well dried. So that is it guys. I'm going to, okay, as you can see, it's well dried. Okay, I'm going to use this strainer to sieve the garri. Yeah, this is what I have. I'm going to make use of it. I'm going to make use of it, okay? So that is it. I'm going to open. So I'm going to use this and look at that. It's well dried. So I'm going to as you can see, it's coming out very easy and clean. I think there is special strainer for this gari, but if you don't have it, yeah, you can make use of what you have at home. Like this one is working perfectly well for me, so I'll keep doing it until I'm done. Okay, so that is it. You can make gari in diaspora. You can actually make gari in diaspora, so I don't want to overcrowd my strainer. So I'll keep doing it until I'm done. Okay guys, I am done. I'm going to set it aside and clean here. Yeah, before frying. Okay guys, as you can see, I have placed my pan on fire. I will allow it to heat a bit before adding gari in my pan. So frying time. We have to do it little by little. Just to check if the pan is hot enough. I have to lower my heat. Just this is so good. This is good. Add more and keep frying. Add little by little so that it looks fluffy. Okay, this is okay now. I'm going to fry this one until it's well dried. I'm not gonna add more, so I have to fry this one. Don't overcrowd your pan. Oh, I love the fluffiness. Look at that. Okay guys, as you can see, our gari is well dried. That is why I didn't add much in my pan, so that it will dry quickly. Look at that. Look at it. Well dried. Okay. So our gari is ready. Ooh. So I'm going to set it aside now and continue until I'm done. You see, this is good. So I'm going to pour it here and continue with the rest of it. I'm going to lower my heat. look at that, our gari. So I'm going to continue. Okay guys, we are done. Our gari is ready. Okay, look at that. So simple, and yeah, we can make gari in diaspora. Homemade gari. I'm so proud of myself. So I'm going to soak my gari today. I'm a gari with granuts. So I want to use this opportunity to thank Sweet Ajele. Thank you for inspiring so many people out there, because without her, I wouldn't have known that you can make gari in comfort of your home. So thank you, sweetie. Thank you, Continental Food Madam. I so much appreciate you. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, okay? Turn on your notification bell. That way you get notified each time we upload new video. Thank you all. I so much appreciate my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch our videos. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you all, and always be positive. Love you all. Bye.